In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where soft fire-like elements move across the screen and gently reveal your video, adding warmth and atmosphere without overpowering the scene. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the fire motion feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Gentle Fire, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, soft flame-like textures flow across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a smooth and atmospheric motion. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the fire motion feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal quicker and slightly more energetic. Longer duration slows it down, creating a calm and cinematic burn. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the fire movement matches your music or mood. And that's it. You've successfully added a gentle fire reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.